In this video, we'll show you how to create a job stream and its jobs using a practical example. Let's take a common daily scenario. Every day, a server needs to back up a log folder, compress it, and clear out the old files to save space. To do this safely, we need 3 sequential steps. Copy the logs to a backup directory, zip those copied logs, and finally, delete the original logs. Let's see how to make this flow real. First, we need to create the job that copies the logs. From the Welcome page, click Graphical Designer and create a new workspace. From the Assets tab, click the Add button and select Job Definition. Choose the executable job type, then click Next. Now, define the general information. We'll name it job_copy and select the workstation. You can optionally add a description here. In the command section, enter your script or command in the related field and click Add. Next, perform those exact same steps to create job_zip, which compresses the logs, and job_clear, which deletes the originals. Just make sure to specify the correct command for each job. Once your jobs are defined, it's time to create the job stream. From the Blocks tab, drag a job stream onto the canvas, give it a name, and select the workstation. Now, let's add the jobs to the job stream. From the Assets tab, drag each job you just created right onto the job stream block. Next, we'll define the dependencies. To do this, drag the connecting arrow from the connection point of job_copy to the connection point of job_zip. Expand the status condition menu and select Suck for success. Then, connect job_zip to job_clear and again select Suck. With this setup, if job_copy finishes successfully, Workload Automation instantly triggers job_zip. Once the zip file is successfully created, it moves on to job_clear to clear the space. To trigger this job stream, every day at 11 a.m., we need to add a run cycle. From the job stream block, click Add Triggers, select Add New, and choose Run Cycle. Enter a name for the run cycle. Set the rule type to iCalendar Recurrence Rule, and click Generate Rule. Set the frequency to Daily and click Set Rule. Finally, in the Time Restrictions section, set the start time to 11. All that's left is to deploy your workspace to save the job stream to the database. And just like that, your job stream is ready to run. Now it's your turn. Open the Dynamic Workload console and create your own jobs and job streams.